Hello, welcome to Pickle 100 here. Today is a brand new fire alarm in here. It's Ziton EMS climate alarms. So now we'll start to show you anything. So there is up there, there's a culprit up here. There's a manual call point here. There's a smoky here. Smoky here. A ziton sounder there. The meeting class here. Ziton smoke detector there. Lots of smokies. Ziton sounder here. Waiting room smoke detector there. Ooh, it's a little bit high up. Really high there. Hey girls. Now, we're ready to show you the high up one. We're ready. You can't believe it. It's going to be really, really awesome. It's just... Oh, high up smoky here. As you can see, the LED red light flashing. Now let's do the second cool point here. A coal point here. This is glass. Don't want to break that. Emergency store release. I get to press.
Enough.
Okay.
We must go.
I really want to. The ziton sounded there. A smoke detector here. A ziton sounded there.
You cannot go in there.
Whoa, what's that? What kind of smoke detector is this? What is this? A Protect smoke detector here.
Oh, careful, careful.
This way
we can go out of this door. There we go. Look, we beat them too.
Ta-da! Ta-da! And there,
This way.
in the
Seriously, I'm not going to keep going round in circles.
right. So okay, a Ziton fire alarm panel, fireman's key switch,
That's it.
and this way there's a Russian sounder
We
here.
need to go. We need to go. We really need to go.
Climate call point and the high up Russian sounder I can really reach.
Let's go.
Thanks for watching for Ali Fire Security. Let's shut this door because I don't want any criminals inside this.
No, that's fine. Don't worry. Let's have that. Let's
And-
that off.
Well, there's one more thing. Oh, cheeky! Hot cheeky fire alarms in here. And that's it for the day. Bye bye for Pickle 700.